theatre as an art, is it dying? Are lesser and lesser people getting into theatre now? Because back then, all these directors used to go and watch plays, and that's where they used to pick these actors, right? From the time of Dr. Rajkumar and 90s, that's how it's been. But now, since everything is on this device that we have, is theatre dying as an art?
See, every generation complains, when they get past 60, like I have done, I will say, in our times, how theatre used to be, okay? Mm-hmm. But it's not true. Okay. I'll tell you why it's not true. Mm-hmm. If you want to book a theatre space in Bangalore for a weekend, most theatre spaces in Bangalore will be booked out for the rest of the year. You will not get it at all.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
Performance culture will always be there. There will always be enough practitioners.
Okay.
Second thing I will tell you. We have done 57 shows of Parva through Rangayana. Mm-hmm. And we have done now, 4 plus 4 plus 3, 11 shows of my own production.
Right.
So altogether 68 shows we have done. Okay. Mm-hmm. The first 3 shows of Parva at Rangayana, because I've not been part of I've not seen the other shows. I saw one in Bombay partly, but otherwise I don't see. I've not seen the remaining 50 odd shows they've done, but the first 3 shows, they got an audience of 3,500 people. Okay?
Okay.
The first 3 shows we did, we sold out 3,000 tickets. We had to cancel the first day show because of a sound problem. Mm-hmm. We did that show, a Friday show on the Monday.
Okay. Okay.
So many people took a refund. Mm-hmm. Even with taking the refund, nearly 500 people, 464 people came for the Monday show. On a weekday. Wow. They came. So 9.5 hours they have to sit. They came and sat and watched the play. And when we have announced it, many of the people who took the refund will come and watch it now.
Right.
Okay. So in the first 3 days, if 3,000 people watch it, okay, mm-hmm. I would say there is an audience for theatre.
Very nice.
Okay. If I can get 38 actors in the play, I think there are people who are interested to do it without money. We don't even give them money for petrol. Only some days they'll get coffee or an idli or upi to eat,
Right.
So this story that, theatre is dying is the story of people who are not in theatre.
Very nice. Right. So Acharya as a college is not just a college. It's holistic in a way. It supports a lot of talents. Multiple movies have been shot in the campuses. So Acharya is always pro creation, pro creativity, and that is what Acharya is standing for. But let me come to this one thing, sir. You are a director primarily, right? More than an actor, you identify yourself.
I'm not an actor. Okay. I'm just accidentally an actor.
Okay.
I know acting.
Okay.
But but if you say I'm a good actor, I'm flattered and thank you very much. But my mind is not of an actor. I'm a writer director. That is what I like the most.
No, but sir, what I've realized, I've been a part of a few serials. The director has to be predominantly an actor also. Only then he can get the kind of acting.
I don't agree with you. My guru Prasanna, is probably India's greatest living theatre director. Okay. I don't know who will disagree or who will agree. I know the top people will agree. I knew that Irfan Khan, when he was alive, he also said Prasanna is my guru. Mm-hmm. Okay, I know that Pankaj Tripathi, with whom also I worked, he said Prasanna is his guru. I'm proud to say Prasanna is my guru. Okay, I tell Prasanna ji that I'm like Drona. You never took me, but
Ekalavya. Ekalavya.
I said he's like Drona.
Right.
I'm like Ekalavya.
Right.
For him, but he's my guru. I learned a lot because of him. I would go to rehearsals when my mother was acting, and I would see how he would work. He was a brilliant director. Mm-hmm. But I've seen Prasanna act as well. Okay, Prasanna is not a good actor. Okay, he's an excellent director.
Right.
I've seen Karanji, from childhood I've seen him. Karanji is a very good, he's a musician. Okay, he can sing well. and he's a superb, director. But I wouldn't call him a good actor.
Okay.
Okay. I know that P. Lankesh, another of my gurus, very good, writer, thinker, poet,
Right.
and a national award winning movie director, but he was not a good actor. Okay,
Nice.
so I don't agree with that thing, that a director needs to be a good actor. I think a director needs to know good acting.
Right.
Yeah.
Because we've seen a lot of directors also foray into the acting space. There's Miskin in Tamil who does this.
A lot of directors, I know, actually want to be actors, but because they don't get it, they get into direction, and if they become famous, then they'll get into acting.
S.J. Surya also similarly, he directed Kushi back then in the 90s.
I see.
Right. So
It's possible, but it's not necessary that directors are good actors. Actually, directors are, have many of them, including me to some extent, I carry a kind of body shyness, and actors should be free, they should not have that.
Right.
Which is why if I may have acted in 90 films, I would have seen maybe 25 of them. I never watch. I don't go to the, after a shot, I don't go and watch on the screen. I don't look at the shot.
okay.
I feel embarrassed to watch myself. So it can't be explained. It's an awkward thing. So many directors will be like that, I suspect.